Racing just is started. We have Gobernadora. Break quickly at the start. Minsan. Then followed by JST. Ladder of all comes next. Then followed by Slim Princess. Kuya Amben carry over Makayakas. Then next on line is Darlinghurst. Renzi stays forever young. Manipurap while Citrus Admiral is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. When as they swing down the back, we have Minsan, down on the inside JST, and on the outside comes Gobernadora, Kuya Ambed, Lover of all. Then next on Laris carry over Slim Princess, down on the inside Manipurap, Makayakas comes next, Darlinghurst, Forever Young, Renzi stays, while entry number 13, Citrus Admiral, is still racing in 13th. And at the far turn, we have Minsan by our length and a half. Gobernadora in second. Kuya Amben is racing in third. JST carry over, moving up on the outside. Down on the inside now is Lover of all. Then comes Slim Princess. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Minsan by about 2 lengths. And in second, now is carry over Gobernadora in the middle. Last 100 meters, we have Minsan. Carry over is on the outside. Minsan, carry over. And finally, it's a close finish between carry over and Minsan. Then comes Gobernadora, JST Manipura.